first-time deputy caretaker from the APC party, video dem no dey can on social media where we dey see e campaign against the APC party. Well, we no know if na go e don go na the present government or e just go thief turn.
Politician in thief turn. Anyway, video them as well don dey show na the social media concerning again the first time deputy caretaker Sam Sumana and the secretary general of the APC as then they go on words battle. These and other things and there for you inside this thief turn program we can do to una so. I think we know if Victor phone a thief turn or it don't go. So we can't thief turn.
We can't thief turn. Thief inside thief.
We can't thief turn today. Anyway, my name na Aliu.
And me, na Justin.
No go non say you, yeah?
We come back just now.
Then say half education is dangerous. So for just start with we and left we half per we project, nothing we self no good. One way how you go continue for support we for let we grow to we highest peak, na for support we in all angle. Well, we don't create another channel where we call Sexy New Looks. This one we dey do here for woman. We dey show you how to make different African and European plates them as well as different other things them. Well, if you really sure say you na one fan of We Yard, do ya? I want you go now inside your YouTube app and then you search for Sexy New Looks. Tap there and then it will take you to the page. When you reach the page, you press the red subscribe button. When you press am, you come over to the bell and press the one with all. As you do that, it done. That don't really show say you dey support We Yard for let we grow to the highest peak. Thank you for where you don't help we for make we channel them grow.
Don't stop.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for where you don't help we for share this program. Yeah! God bless you.
Welcome back. This na your program. We Yard. Well, until now, wetin We Yard capable of doing for we the people of We Yard. This na your channel. This na your family program. This na your friendship program. Where they for inform you about wetin dey happen inside We Yard where people don't want let we know.
Plenty time the day. You can don't see some of them video here. You can don't hear some of them audio here. But we will come back as all time, analyze them for you, let you understand, find one in we own angle and opinion. Take a more, we own angle and opinion. Anyway, you don't subscribe to this program? Today na your first time? Okay, not a problem, welcome, okay? But what you can do, press for we the red subscribe button. Now me side. Go over to Justin. Press the bell notification. When it give you that list, look for the one where gets the all and then you press them. You know why you do that? Anytime when we post video on this channel, you go get the notification and watch them. You no need for go begin fen and boku. Okay? Plenty of video watch. But I can find out say the like not dey go up at all. The comment is small. Wetin happen? Your voice inside this program important. It's very, very important to me, yeah? So what you for do now, Justin?
You know now, eh?
Thank you. Aha, we don't see the lights on the change. Aha, now that's one. Thank you very much, okay? God bless you now all. Now we go inside the program, proper one.
Well, we will not see and hear the word will be the common. Now we never encounter when a Conakry, Guinea. For say, we second gentleman when a Jules de Jallo go put on politics day, we Guinea them the send word of threats. Now we had say, if we mistake with them, we self now we had they suffer. And anybody from where we go Guinea, we fall na them and they suffer. Well, now we don't see Usai we brother them where they left we had for going to other man country where they use the Guinea for travel. They don't they suffer now for the thing where they be accused with second gentleman when a Jules de Jallo, then don't begin to suffer that consequence day.
Well, inside one video where one of we brother them release, he say, it dey inside jail right now. Them when they pass na Guinea as all time, with plenty young man them ki left we had for go find prosperity other side. Him pass na different side them. On their way for go side and they go, they been catch them. They accuse them say, then a rebel. Now, then lock them. This video been surface na the social media. Watch out for yourself, as this one make Mr. Safe not feel good for we young man them where they go and suffer na other side them. Let's watch them when they come back just now.
How am I doing, Mr. I like you, right now, as I talk to Nasu, I didn't say it's easy. I've been very easy. Maybe compare with different we live. All we know we cover Nakini, Nakisu, Naribe. And if we go to Mamu, from Mamu they go to India, from India, now they Conakry, Nigeria. And if we say we are rebel, which of course we need to rebel, don't check in a money and passport. We're not gonna nobody know the fact for. Yeah, anybody will this is yeah, anybody that's a little back about guy. We don't know as he say anybody case. But we don't know if that's what or not. They are every day we like to get lost. At 20 to sleep. As I talk to us, so we get flow of the company. So they don't need to hospital now. And I see the 4 o'clock so at 20 to the door. So it's really true. So it's really true. Really say this half of the people. It's half of the people only I said. Inside this one they sell out. They have past 100. Yeah, na bigger the big. Anyway, see this message. Like anybody go out in Australia and a bigger the big.
Well, now in that all, me people them. And you not don't see for yourself. But honestly, Aliyu, when I see this video, now the social media, what I really run me eye. Because me people them, we get people where we don't go now this particular cell or prison where this brother they cry so today. Then describe this prison for we. Well, it's not really fine for Motaman.
Well, the danger part of all of this thing, not to the go and commodity the experience. Plenty time day when they can say rebel, you know waiting that imminent, where they pray for the way bother them. God will touch the Guinea authority their heart. So then go left them, may they return back now we had. Or then pass go outside, then be one for go. You know easy, you know easy. We just want for amplify this particular message, let it reach to certain people them. Do ya una help? Would I get word for let talk to people them? We get word self na Guinea. May them sorry for we brother them. Anyway, let me go inside the big dance, inside the tight parlor.
Salon politics, we really don't understand. wetin dey go on. And I believe say inside today program we get plenty things dem for talk, but the things dem wey dey go on pan salon dirty politics. While the people as me brother say we enter, we don open the gate. While the people we be don dey see the former deputy minister from the former Rajimona, the APC, wey na MB Attila. E don dey talk plenty things dem against the APC. But it look like say something happen these 2 days wey we sef not understand. Well, inside this in talk, we don't know if he talk with all the heart or na other angle he wan come on. He come and talk good things them where they supposed to happen na we had, where he say and we say they say they know they happen inside we had.
I think it talks something we very sensible, and that this government they prioritize foreigners them over their own citizens them. And for example, they make mention of the Savage Street Bridge, where he say, look gentle, we do massive road na spur road, we're very good, we all don't see them, very good, and they do other side them. They not give gentle, then contract, and they for do Savage Street Bridge and go give Chinese man. This make a talk the other day say, every day we see European Union, this, that, and they give money no more every day to Riyadh. Now free, nothing goes for nothing. You know that, DNT? You could go and say, I'll give them tax holiday, I will not, no more. Now not pay this thing, now wait stay this thing. If it's not for free, anyway, we just want to tell you say wait till Attila talk this tip, it talk sense and it make a whole lot of sense. And I think say the government need for watch into this and see what thing they happen. Now this make we say we can always come to Una for make we come and tell Una things where they go wrong. So the government will able for take into consideration the things that they incorrect them. If they incorrect them now, it will fine. If they not correct them, it not go fine at all. You know? Soup sweet.
I'm money killer.
What think people they go inside politics for?
Some they go there for go better themselves. Let's not use the word some. 99.9% of them they go there for go better themselves. They're not they go there in the interest of me and you.
So
we are.
In one word, selfishness. Plenty people riches. Are they going to say politics? Why are they going to say politics? You know I'm better, Me are they go gentle. Now the way how we African politicians them don't make the politics don't like. If you not go inside politics, then feel say you know for better. Now only when you go inside politics you for better. So now the reason this we make we young people themselves don't get that mentality there. Now we know say somebody been there we want for be the former caretaker in apprentice. We know say one of the people them we will talk you enjoy the way they talk with sweet mouth. One of the people them we been campaign with sweet mouth for the APC government, for the APC party, we make them kind of power. One of them na Alpha Khan. Where he campaign sweet mouth business for the politician them inside we had Alpha Khan number 1. We don't see the exhibitor same talent day. We see say after where the APC lost power, lost election. Well, we see inside the former caretaker, we see inside the caretaker call Alpha Khan, call Paulo, they all for them can help. Alpha Khan there, plenty people been get waiting and they think about him. They left to it you say. And not up though. Now we see say the Attorney General and Minister of Justice don't write one letter we say therefore unfreeze Alpha Khan account and then they for lift in travel ban. This now way how this government been saying they punish some of the people the way they feel say commit the greatest corruption or waiting inside the last government. But now because Alpha Khan deal with them, the Attorney General say therefore lift in ban and unfreeze in accounts. Ibi for Alpha Khan. Alpha Khan at the table in Mote, God bless her, if not, God bless her. If they work for her, they may work for her, it's a deal.
Well, me family them. This, now for let we all know, waiting they go on now we had, how politics they go on now we had, and how corruption don't they get crowd inside we had. Waiting bit my imagination here is, this SLPP new direction power government, they become intelligent, they fight corruption. They set up the commission of inquiry. They never investigate people. Now they come and freeze Bokuman accounts. Not a will. But now we see they get set of people where then they advocates for. Then there's self no more at the circle of the new direction. Then the advocates for say, therefore open the account and lift them ban of traveling. But now that same people here, be say that people are already banned, now people are will fall in the hands of corruption. So now if the Attorney General, what they come up from and say, therefore give Alpha Khan all he writes them back, what about the other people where they all then on the list who say Alpha Khan they for say now because then they're not that close to them? Now he make them for still a punish or because Alpha Khan they close to them. So in for enjoy the facility of the new direction, waiting at the Fed where this government defends corruption, the people them. Una help me answer this now, comment section below.
Well, it's like for say the eagle don't begin pick who's fall away for cage or who's thin way for way, yeah. But me not say eagle. Anything we see where you know say for Kana and Bele, it go for
na so supposed to be.
But it's like for say now the eagle. And the first na be why them the same paper na the other and then see now it see. But now waiting in one for pick, now the pick.
Now it happen.
Alpha Khan in fall na no go area. The eagle not the picker.
But you don't think say some of them people that would talk about so then just they come and try for make themselves na SLPP because of them things they have made they not seize their property then or try for release the SLPP they feel say let BO feel say you know then deal with them or waiting.
Well, a left to waiting them think and I left to waiting the SLPP bag will think. As far as we concern, selective justice don't they go on inside we are right now. Not that you want to know. Something Alpha Khan you will say now be former Minister of Information, now former Political Affairs Minister, and then now be advisor to the former caretaker na State House. Not to know more. Where the one now, where be the Secretary General for the APC, he be ambassador na China, he be deputy caretaker inside Riyadh to the APC party. We just don't see video of him where in a campaign against the APC for the SLPP. Waiting they go on. Not listen this one Amende, but I will come back and tell you now, waiting it talk quickly.
Au nyawa. Draw mama kumi au golo madabio. Mude niao. Mude video. Draw kama inao. Nyale ruana mama na. Wami awade mudeni azitofo tami awo wamwe wame na ye bigono bo homa onya denya ya wamwe wale amubira na mawe ela ke ya wamwe au na ruhilwa wame na ye Tamuru awohe. Tamuru awohe. Daili. Amukekwi amada bio. Tamuru ya sewe. Amada bio na upimu mami. Amada bio na muhimu wao. Ena chairman wa timu respect ya Burahi. Peta wa akaende na akaende ya Budenya. Kone biyo awa mema yakawa tungere na wale kwa yakawa wale baba mwa hebu kwa mawe umelo kuile wabu kwa mawe hui yigunu boloma yanga lokolo mawe yigunu boloma All the put here to do it. You can do Roma. Politics is a you are all welcome. I will evaluate community effort. Come here, baby. Who is it? Community effort. Who said it? Young and little. Care community to your woman. Mukake, where I was coming. And be privileged. Young and little provide you a full memorial. Say about it. Abia ndi dia Roma mo alimu ndai ya mamu chainjila nao wa uja sawe ko kuli ba nu ndo to ma mu ko 1 million ina community effort, hospital. Who are they? Malengo, Lastago, Los Yatima, Budesiama, Time Yamama Punali, Kaburia. Mope, one or Tisiaba, Babia, Pes Yalona, a running community effort. Marketing, Tabuji, community effort. One night is here, you do. Natural and you are our power to black is no easy. At all. Honorable. Worldwide, down, from the 12. Yeah, me, honorable. Limba, Mudega, Luku, yeah, Marino Mahue. So, Amugo, Honorable Pabama, Marina, India Uba, Wataturo, Pluie, 100 bars in it, after work. Then you get a number. Go a paper, Honorable Ego Camarata, go Gumbo, go a paper boy. A tattoo SLPP officer will have been here. You mind? What we name a will, Mulua Aduku, Malua Ago. Ye will not ever. That's go 100 bucks net. Hello, Yandi, Yamay, Yandi. I help you with Yandi, Yandi, Yana di mana Jama Matana di dari Paya di mana Paya Mawanya. So this question of the Mamo Ali Wewe. This is short ago. That's Malama. Lalu Uyepe Gema Baba Habib Baba. Yang ini loh Baba ni mana? Dibikin loh, semua cuma loh yang kau. Dia orang ni kan tu. Jadi pas mat. Dia sebesar juga punya. Kaya ni loh mana? Lalu mana biru. Kaya mulai mana biru. Kan ini guna biari buat kita apa? Ayo ni. Ina nama ada di Dr. Hadi, Chairman National. Siliate muda di muda, Baba. Muda di muda, Baba. Siliate di Sudan. Tigre ade Nigeria. Tigre Cameroon baba yeji baba na agwe. Keti ko ibi agwe. Na ke bolo ga kika ko eki yale na ko ti na fe. Baba we. Ya mulo ko ade mudenya. Ke moso. Mada bi. Ko kai ni ti ya we. Wapi inabe unyalwa ka koi yoga koi wapi ka koi nujina be koi na jima e ya nya ka maka be chena cha bobo we na koi nyanga ko ka Saturday ba kuwa ma ulo dai yele mo koi na bra Kima kwe bra muto wike kwe baba unya mwana le uko la kafi owe Yega kwa mama wewe mwenyewe wewe nyangu le mwabuwe one nada likawawa hai inyea ko fi kenanga pie ko kuhumide kapio Hey, Ahava or Saturday or you are with your Kabbalah. Yes? Okay, table.
You understand waiting a talk?
Well, normally, I catch one, not to all men are able to understand, but I catch some of the things them where Victor for the talk.
Right. I mean, the things that we be trying for talk now this. Una no vote for the other one them. I don't understand better, but una do am for the sake of Mada AMPs adding, okay? And then una make sure say all team go to the SLPP candidates. Nothing una not put to the other one them. When you say the other one them, I mean the leading one way they talk about other one them. At the APC. If not to the APC self, we can't nine. I want to say PMDC.
No, you're not so big man for talk. You understand? So nobody know a quote and tomorrow say he say APC. But if you get sense to the talk where in talk, you really don't know who said the drivers.
But he talk other things, talk plenty other things than here, where he explain about waiting.
Inside this meeting, yeah, so where Victor for all with the people them, Prince Adding and other people them, na campaign for example, and not really make and clear say he don't resign from the APC and now he don't officially then at the SLPP. But waiting clear na this, he say he don't come back na in home where he belong. And this na the person where been don't say he get phobia to green. He allergic to green. So if he don't make an now clear say he don't come back na in home, it means say he don't come na the SLPP party. For example, it's not possible, yeah. And I see somebody been they analyze na Facebook where they talk say it's not possible let you support Manchester and Arsenal together, or Manchester and Liverpool together, or Liverpool and Arsenal together. It's not possible. You just get for the one side. So waiting this simply mean it's not possible for the Victor Fo, Alpha Khan, let them day na APC and the SLPP at the same time. Then get for choose one side, especially for Victor Fo in your case right now, where they campaign for SLPP and even talk say, you know, let them not vote for nobody if they find out say somebody they will vote for other party inside that by-election the way they happen this Saturday, then go find their particular person there and then go deal with them civilized one. You see what it mean, Justin? So basically, in other words, in as much as not counter it officially, but you know, whether now for protect himself, because it been get small case with Anti-Corruption Commission and this Commission of Inquiry, something than the Anti-Corruption Commission, yeah, then be invited in Minkailu Manzai. So if he don't do this kind of thing where they do so now. In my opinion, I feel say they do him because he wants for protect his own interest. He wants for protect in property where don't get together. He wants for protect in riches where don't get together. So now the best thing this he can do, I dance to you tune, you protect me. So you see, this now the Victor Fo they talk about. So now they talk about say anybody we go Fenam and the person wear red. Yeah. He said the person wear red. He not go talk to that person there. This now the same person we been talk say we been stop interview with a journalist because of the journalist hang green Heineken bag. So you see the kind of politics where they play. This now Victor Fo. But like I can talk no more. When you broke the law for somebody, now so it gets for end up. Now it don't turn him back against the APC and the former caretaker because of his own personal reason or his own self-interest. So you see?
Because of this, I don't know if you might follow listen to one interview I do with one my former colleague where talk in experience with Victor Fo, how he and Victor Fo pass for this same green color.
Well, I think it's very important for the people for listening this particular interview because it gets something for educate to we the people of Wiyad. Make them politicians there left for the full we, for full say. Una listen to this interview before they analyze about this talk.
Ibrahim Mansare, where na be one of my senior producer na 98.1. The table been the Radio Democracy. He don't join me on the line for the very first time for talk inside this week program we call Wiyad. Ibrahim Mansare, my senior producer as always. Welcome to Wiyad.
Thank you very much, Ali Sise, for inviting me to this program.
Okay. Ibrahim, I don't want to hold you too long. One of the first thing where I go bring come to you. We see outside video of Victor Fo now the dance middle green and the campaign for green and all of this thing. First, before we talk about this video and the photos then, what in now you experience with Victor Fo when you go for go interview and the color green?
Oh wow, Victor Fo again, Victor Fo. I remember back many years when I been practice journalism. You know, so they be attached me on a different political party. I was the one covering the APC party. So there was an incident actually at that time in the APC party. So the boss asked me, say, like we cover the story, like get this time of the APC party. But we know say Victor Fo at that time was the Secretary General for the APC. So anything we do for do with publicity and the APC, a lot of time now the Secretary General can talk and I need the grant interview.
Yes.
So I go to the party office at that time. Unfortunately for me, I've been hanging a bag, an Heineken bag where somebody be given as a gift, like green bag. So I go to the office at the party office. So I talk to them, I tell them what they account for, I tell them the issue, where we can discuss. But unfortunately, Victor Fo tell me say, hey, no go, grant me the interview. I say, why? Because me go with a green bag. And in that person with a phobia to the color green, and he allowed to the color green. So for that reason, he no will ever grant me interview.
Okay.
So I plead to him, but he refused. Until when the late Honorable Chukwuma Johnson, when I be member of the party also, called me in the office. See the book up, like and take the interview. So now Chukwuma Johnson end up taking the interview, but say he not go take the interview because I get green bag.
And this now the person where be no almost agree say they take the interview, but because he see you get Heineken bag when I green, he say he allergic to them, and if he get phobia to that particular color, they not agree take at all. Now we don't see now for campaign Victor Fo the middle green, they campaign for the SLPP party for let them vote for them and say let them not vote for the other one them at all, let them not give them one safe. This come to you as a surprise?
Well, it don't come to me as a surprise for two reasons. We don't see politicians them that say they do the same thing. They come up from one political party to another, especially when they are in opposition. And for Victor Fo, I see for another reason why making no come to a surprise to me for Victor Fo, because just after APC APC lost the election, we all don't see how Victor Foden associates himself with the ruling government. Because we almost the ruling government now in tribesman and baby. So some of we know say, okay, yes, it will get relative there with it, so it will eat for associating himself with the people in it. But a lot of people don't raise concern, a lot of people don't ask questions. Victor Foden now the person way people have beliefs. Now one of the oldest Southeasterner supporter or member of the APC party. And we all know what that means. Sierra Leone politics is divided. That one will not go either. You get the northwest, you get the southeast. Everybody know whose side they be.
And this particular policy.
So for within the APC, yes.
Now the one
APC and southeastern, people don't ever think that we ever come out for support the other side, because he always can see the other side is allergic to the other side. They are allergic to the other side in follow. But now when we see also the associate itself with the other side, it kind of like a surprise and not a surprise. But they can't say not to surprise, because since when they go opposition, we don't see an alignment with the current government.
But we get this funny thing where they can say home is home, root is home, you know, and they go back to Kusaya Komot and not sign all the way to Kusaya Komot. Victor Foden, as you say, Southeasterner, is sit down inside there, he live there in family there all the day. So, like you say no more, you not come to you as a surprise. So with the things no more, Victor Foden be one kind of loyal somebody, loyal even past most of the people them na APC. But if you don't turn so right now, this get any warning or anything for the APC party?
Well, we go for make and clear Air Force, Aliyu. We go for make and clear Air Force, right? Now assume. You know, come out to rightly say they don't transfer from the APC to the SLPP. You know, I'm not ever hear that it. But the only thing, you don't tell me say, you know, the inside politics anymore. You know, the inside politics anymore.
In a statement.
Get right for go support now. Yes. You get right for go support any other political party like support any individual. I guess based on that, it makes you do all of anything down with the sea.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. Now, let me ask you.
But I tell you, see, it could not disappoint a lot of people when we believe in them, say that die-hearted APC, or which they talk, they trust in them, they feel say he can never associate himself with SLPP. But with this now, some people when they look at me, they don't go home is home as you see. But we are not just saying, we don't make a clear say, now a member of the SLPP or not taking the SLPP Vatican, and nothing is true.
One last question I will ask you now with regards Alpha Khan. You see, Alpha Khan, this BNTM, we've been since the caretaker been calling for help in the fight against coronavirus. And even before the caretaker call and complaint don't come from the APC party say Alpha Khan don't they sell out. But recently again, we still say the Attorney General pull a press release and open letter who say they ask for let them unfreeze, you know, Alpha Khan in bank account and let them lift in travel ban. Members say them been put some of them punishment as some members them of the last government for make them go able for pay for waiting and say them do during the last government. Now the other one then still get a punishment, but now the Attorney General, when are the first person at law business inside the yard, they call on made them lift all of them thing there. So waiting this again mean? Waiting as a journalist, how you go look at this?
Well, actually, I don't see any problem if a member of the opposition work together with the government, because that's what we all hope for. We don't want this division we don't do for long, you know. We always talk about governments of inclusion. At least you can take some member of the opposition, bring a kind of experience, kind of style for they can work with you. But now, if we can work with you now, the politics is playing inside, that's not the problem. Because we don't see how the content which he happened with him. He was a member of the opposition. The brand kind of for can work with the current government in terms of the corona crisis. We see how we end up. Then we don't see Alpha Khan back the brand for can work inside the current government. And we see how a member then the APC they misinterpret that. Some people just believe it just they play in politics well. Now the current government for let it go free from all the things and do what they be accused them for. But if it's people are well, that's fine. They can't say politics in Africa and politics in Sierra Leone in particular. Now so see how the politician is with me. You make a connection, now you know, now you win. Now so don't see. So I know one say yeah, it's wrong for Alpha to go for the government. No, if you get experience, it will go for the government. So I not see anything wrong with that unless if Alpha want for change to a member of the ruling government or party, and that's another thing because he gets right to do that. So, but it gets a mixed feeling actually. They can practice and they get a mixed feeling. Now people in mind.
Thank you very much, Ibrahim Mansare, my senior producer, for what you joined me inside We Are today.
Thank you very much, Ali. And stay safe.
Alright, see you safe.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, Unaloyeri, this same Victor Fo, where we see today, so they talk say, let them vote for Mother Bill, let them not vote for the other side. This Victor Fo, now the man is, where we say, he too allergic with green. And to Unaloyeri, what this man say, could you imagine, you get an interview with a journalist, the journalist don't take in time, come to your office, because that journalist, they put on bag, we get small green, right?
Anything bag.
Anything bag. Until now almost say that anything drink, the green dominates. He get green. Victor Fo say he allergic with green. He no agree for take the interview. Not a problem that time day. Na own perspective, we no get problem. But why now, Victor Fo, when we don't talk, all them kind talk about SLP, not to mind you, not to this normal even talk, he get plenty things there when we don't talk concerning SLPP and the color winner green. So if the same Victor Fo, if the same Victor Fo, my people them, they come today, they do them the way we all they see. This if for tell me and you say, we no need for trust we had politicians them. We no need for because like what I tell no more just no say doing Alpha in discussion say something then people they do then things are for them then secure them property them. We think say that one they happen.
You see, I can always talk this and I can always want for be waiting. Victor Fo now be one politician where they been banned inside we are not for take any public office. Let's begin to this. But at times when you broke the law for somebody, you get for expected it turn back by you. The former caretaker broke the law for Victor Fo. He begin first for their ambassadorial position. He lifts the ban on Victor Fo. He get ambassadorial position. And after that, he get the second highest office now we land. Now, this na the payment. Now the payment this. This na the person where they refer to as voucher gate. Where they take in something for sign voucher them. For fraud the states. Now in this. I can tell you something. Sometimes we will be don't talk when the APC be in the power, don't talk. Certain thing and you not get for go the other way for make it happen. The way how Victor Fo been come and not been supposed to come at all. Other people have been in the line way for me don't come. But now this man don't tell you say me a real criminal and I can go into me anything at any time. Like this. So family, awana. I know it's a talker. Aolo. Awena. Unalo bia ya. Unabia. Unabia. This na Victor Fo. I talk I just for me but I say then get one thing where they may call Gula Gucci nation and they say home is home, root is home is home. Now they come out, you don't go back. So na not cry you.
Well,
na not cry, yeah.
Now this they happen. This not the politics of we are today. Whether I say the Lipa Buddha, they cause carpet. Tomorrow, no more if. There kind of people there talk of the Victor Fo, the Alpha Khan. If even tomorrow they say that they come back, if the APC executive they trust them or we, but it's still not tap day. We still in at the circle of the APC today. Today we dance at the circle of the APC because the things the way they happen at the circle of the APC don't make we all the doubt and afraid. Waiting they go on our yard. Now, inside the same APC, the other second gentleman,
the same position where they been give this one we don't talk about. So when a Victor Fo Afro, we not the bad. Both show to us.
Where it been the way they misbehave so today against the APC. This same APC, the other
Sam Sumana,
caretaker, former winner Sam Sumana, where it be don't talk all kind things against the former caretaker and his Kuruma. We know they talk because we want talk, we get video, them way we dey play for proof, waiting with the talk, because we know they talk with you no sabi.
So, let's watch his first video, Usa Ibn try for pinpoint on evidence them way he gets against the APC and the former caretaker. We come back just now.
And me, I say to you now, in high spirit, if they challenge anything, I get document them for prove everything. To the people of the community, to the fellow Sierra Leoneans across the world, that this time around, the APC way and Escobar been tell me say, where I join them, where Pakaba first offer the minister position. Just for you say what he see me they gonna call on. He offered me 2 ministerial positions twice. I refuse. He offered me ambassadorial position. I refuse. And I say that indeed, as a businessman, we need to change Sierra Leone. I've been pleased to work with the right person for to change Sierra Leone. Indeed, I've been sheep, and I've been worked in sheep clothing. It deceives the people. It's every say they run the country as a business. I will be ignorant, not knowing that it will run out for make money for himself and his family members.
Well, now this in don't talk. Inside it again, let we listen to the Secretary General of the APC, waiting himself by then, began reply.
And the bogus man calls out. Sumana is talking in America, telling the world that he decided not to accept the president's urge for more time. That is why he was cashed out. When we removed him from the party and he was kicked out of government, he never said that. These are the type of people. The man has been head of man. We make a running mate with all the promises he had. He thought would support him. Since the day he became vice president, he has thought of nothing other than to grab power. And the man is talking that he's not corrupt. The man is saying that he is civilized. The day we took power, his first progressive step was to humiliate all the paramount chiefs, make them the dog and wrong. Then the next step was to go to the former vice president's house and remove all his vehicles. We told him, take back these vehicles. This man is entitled. Oh, SLPP, I said, don't do that. The law is clear. The SLPP did not do that for APC. They did not allow Momo to take anything. I say APC and SLPP are different. So, this is the man who would not give up these vehicles. President spoke to him and President said, please, can I go and talk to him? He is your son. I went to him. Look who said he was working with him. I say, you know what him? You know, say sometimes you do the inside there, motorcar way. No, I don't want again. He returned. That's the thinking. When he didn't stop there, we were asked to get 6 vehicles. Top of the range, Land Cruiser. The following day, he got 3 companies, all Naingere. We went to road transport. These companies bid it, and one of them got it. They didn't go anywhere. We were expecting them to go to Accra or Dakar. They went to Conakry, took 4 low quality new Land Cruisers, and 2 old ones. They brought them to Freetown, sprayed them. It was during the period of spraying them that we discovered that we had done that. And the next thing was, we begged and begged.
The game done bala bala. What did it happen? Inside the fumble and didn't party. Today, when them in power, now been the problem of the SLPP now, so they said the jam the aid. Now, I don't know if Italy for anybody will go position, and must get other than they become crazy. And they become crazy. Every other they become crazy. Politicians they means we have now this without me colleague just not talk saying. Politicians them, we the youth, or people them inside we had, not for allow politicians for stupid way. Because today you will see them, they fight, you will see them, they say word against the company. When you go the other way, then they go back now the same people them. Now the same thing. Cause carpeting. The outside na green, the inside na red. Politician and a bigger waiting? I don't know. So watermelon politics. The candle na green, the inside na red. You don't get the joke, huh?
No, I be the off track. now it puts me inside business.
So, so people them when they vote, if now I vote, now go vote APCO, SLPPO. No kill yourself for no political party. No cost you company for no political party. No fet you company for no political party. Politicians them, then they tell you this today. Now in their own interest for let them benefit no more than self and their family. You know who ever eat. APC Camo, SLPP Camo, that guy will be the hit. Now you continue for it, huh? My brother and sister then. If you get love for APC, you get love for SLPP, stick with them and show you love to them. But I will tell you, say, no fet for anybody. You able for do, you add how they call them, you campaign, do them, but not fet for nobody. Almost them I talk them. Thank you. You don't subscribe? Okay. Why? I can always tell you that, but just in me, I can tell them press the like button.
I really know say, I been tell her, I say you're wasting time. I say, una deal with me, pass up, but you don't ever believe. For sure, I say, waiting I tell her, now the truth. Now don't make a shame, come here, trust you now.
Okay. Me and just you down at the support. Hey, if you support me, press the like button.
Me, if you support me, una can more, bring them, count them, go take them, more I can subscribe. A competition.
Me no press the like button.
Eh?
Okay, una subscribe. Me.
Now you say na competition this.
Me, una we don't subscribe. That 5,000 almost we don't subscribe. I do to now. Una press.
He don't take for me. He don't take for me.
No, you said the subscribe then they come. Me the one already na.
But they say they will guess so. The one the way you get na small. Me na me get it.
Big. Okay. If na big, na interesting get, una press the like button. If na small I get, una press the like button.
No. If na small or big you get, na like button you do. Because by tomorrow morning, when we dey go watch your channel, you dey see people that don't can subscribe. I don't know.
Okay, me, una comment here, and then una press the like button here. I love una.
I still outside there. Me na outside that red writing. Just go church am. That will be this guy.
What do you think about all them we politicians there? The Alpha Khan, the Samsumana, and the
the Victor Afro boy.
Go Bokari. What do you think about them?
Honestly, them people are, some of them are disappointment is how we had. But you know what's in the question where I can like for ask the APC here. Now we know say the Alpha Khan, the didn't play the game, the Victor Fo, they didn't play the game. But what about Sam Sumana, where he don't go and form a party he talk all kind things then against the former party where he be doing at the APC. Now the same Sam Sumana don't go twist back, he don't come. This is just a question. Oh. He don't come. Una the executive, I still they ask. Una trust Sam Sumana in Kawan as una don't approve him for be a member again at the party because the grassroots with there is so much noise they say them not trust Sam Sumana and they're not ready for dance.
That's the question. This one are you on now?
No, I dey talk for me people them.
Which one are you on now?
I dey talk to the reports the way they meet me.
Which one are you on there by APC or SLP?
I dey talk because them party they are all now inside we are the day and we day inside we are the dance with them.
So fine. Waiting me concern but me who that then at the throne na me concern but yeah na in the handle with day-to-day affairs of we had.
So what you want to tell me?
Whether you like APC or SLP, I don't care about them.
What you want to tell me?
Me, the one way then at the throne, where they sit down at the seat, I me focus.
Go mother.
If you do good, I dey check for you.
Go mother.
If you do bad, I dey pattern for you.
Bala bala.
So APC, SLP, the party business, still tell them I just can't make a much more bit. I see God carry the play politics watermelon. So now that make no me can't talk. What's one are you on the napa APC, SLP? But on a kick on a game here, I didn't get it. APRM, ARM, DRM, PRM.
The problem with APC, I don't know the disgruntledness where they inside the Ghana.
No, the truth.
And any side, honestly, any side, where the cabal, you get this committee, you get this other one, they get the red movements, they get the waiting the evangelism scene, they get this, they get. Honestly, any time when you see that kind of boku, now any organization, peace not they ever did.
Okay, until election, okay, then we say we wait till the election can set one. But I'll ask one question. In your opinion, Victor Bokari Fo, Samuel Sam Sumana, who that's not the most sellout?
And Alpha Khan, why left him? And then 3.
Okay. The one we'll talk about today, Alpha Khan, Sam Sumana, and Victor Fo. Who that you think say na the most or na the one we don't sell out or we they sell out past all inside the APC? Anyway, the election at constituency 110 they come in. We found police them, don't say they don't put things them in place for make sure say this election they secure everything.
That's our job. I have to be very frank. That's what we are paid for. And firstly, I want to say the job of the police during elections, one is to protect the guys who are conducting the election. They could be NEC. They are also observers. That's our job. We have to protect them. And then we also have to protect the voting materials. And so it's by studying, we make sure that the lines are orderly. And then if any report is brought to our attention, for as long as it is lawful, and then we have to carry that instruction. So basically, that's what we do when it comes to election. But sometimes, you might want to interfere with the election process. So this is why we most times decide as best as possible to have what we call checkpoints, so that to limit the movement of people and also limit the movement of vehicles. So those ones we are going to see on that day, we're going to limit the movement of people. But the last time you mounted checkpoints, but that did not help the situation.
Yeah, so I would like to know what are the actual special specific measures, new measures that have been put in place to ensure this one becomes a successful, because I believe before any election the police actually gathered a team and plan and strategize on how to ensure people are secure. But then it has been failed. It's failed twice now and all. So what are actual special?
Firstly,
I know you can reveal them, but
yeah, we can.
How sure is this going to be secure?
Honestly, that election is going to be very peaceful. You know, you can see that before the election itself, the last 2 elections we are leading to, there are some issues, but you are not sensing them from this one. You know, the campaigns are okay. Nobody's causing problem. And so what we've been doing, we have the Community Relations Department. The Community Relations Department has been engaging stakeholders. They've engaged the contestants, they've engaged other stakeholders. So by let them know that this is just a contest. Somebody is going to emerge as the victor, and if somebody is going to emerge as the victor, there is no need for us to be fighting. So I think that one is paying off. Even last week we had a stakeholders meeting at Waterloo called by the security sector, and all key players were there, PRC, NEG, and a host of other stakeholders out there, and we discussed lengthily and frankly, and then they give us assurances that they are going to be peaceful. We talk to the people, we talk to those who they call their supporters to make sure that there is no need for them to go and disrupt the election. So let's allow the process to go on, and so that at the end of it, we get a winner, and then we celebrate.
So now the date has been slated, that is December 12 for the election in constituency 110. Before ever NEC declared, or after NEC declared that particular day, the day to come, the day the election is going to be held, they said that this time around they are not going to allow rallies, and if you want to campaign, you can have your flyers, you can use radio programs, not to be rallying around. Now, have those measures adhered to, or are they being adhered to, because we are yet the day itself is yet to come?
They are in effect, and we are getting cooperation from them. There's what they are doing what we call door-to-door campaigns. They go to houses, to go to homes, and then they talk to people for them to go and vote for them. But with regards to rallies, that was banned by the Political Parties Registration Commission, and that was reiterated last Thursday when we had that stakeholder meeting. And then it is only it is really in effect, and nobody's going against it up to today and something.
The thing is that, Superintendent, there are times when elections are being held, especially by elections, you see people who have no business to be around. You see people parading around, you see very big guns in the political parties, going around. And there are times when they are seen by their supporters, situations get out of control, because the supporters now know that, our big boss is here, our chairman is here, so whatever I do, I have these are protection. So what is going to happen in this particular case?
There's something like
are you going to allow big bombs in political parties to be around those areas where elections or polling centers be?
We have agreed. When I say we, I'm also referring to the candidates or the political parties, as well as the security sector and other stakeholders. We agreed that if you don't have business there, don't go there. You understand? So this is why I said we are going to restrict the movement of people, and equally so we are going to restrict the movement of vehicles. So which means if you don't have business there, don't go there. Not that you can. We are not saying that day nobody should go around to constituency 110. You can go about your normal business. You can pass around, understand? But if you don't have anything to do with the police station, you don't have anything to do with the police station, don't go there. If you go there, I will not allow you.
But now that the day has been stated, today is the 7th, so we barely have a few more days to that particular election. Have you in a way done kind of surveillance, to actually study the ground to see if there are any potentials for violence or some other anti-social activities?
Honestly, policing, we have the covert and we also have the overt. The overt is what you see. You are seeing me now, we talk, I'm a policeman, but we also have covert policing, and we've done our homework. Honestly, we've done our homework. We have field operatives that are out there, they are sourcing information, they are sourcing intelligence. We're working on this intelligence, and we're making sure that we work on them and bring peace and safety to that particular location, on that day of the election. And I'm sure the election is going to be very peaceful. Everybody committed to having a peaceful election, so we are hoping that it's going to be that way.
Now the same, yes.
Underline the word secure.
Now the same police than this will be secure. The last election, say minister come out go take ballot box, scatter them. Then they instead they run. They left then they. Now what do you mean no? Who that in a power, not they gonna police net. Now only who that they in opposition or who that now ordinary citizen and police they run after. But who that na minister, who that na MP and waiting. If you see they run after minister or MP, pass it come out from the above. But if not to that they
They are above the law. Inside we are do minister, they above the law. Inside we are do Uda they na power, they above the law.
Anyway, we just they give you own advice. Constituency 110. Do ya? We don't beg una. Now we first program. We still continue for beg una. Una give people their own rights. Make them choose their leader. Thank God there is a video where the caretaker use one great word where if ICSF follow that word, I go let that say we have people that we choose we leader.
The right leader.
And una when at the sitting government now una get for give a chance for make we choose we right leader because una capable of doing anything right now because now una dey in governance. 110 una dem bobo them who be go misbehave there because I always tell una say anybody we gonna crowd go misbehave I don't call you gentleman na bobo. Be you minister, be you honorable, be police officer, soldier. As long as you go na crowd, you go misbehaving a bobo. So let them bobo there will go 110 for go misbehave. Do you una shame this time around? If una really know say una gentleman them, na no go cause any problem where they make somebody go suffer na hospital or somebody go suffer na prisons.
And if turn, we can't if turn.
It look like say do so.
We can't if turn like Victor Fon. So, where one can be lost now? Today na Wednesday, eh?
Of course.
Not forget for join we in with program Saturday. 9 p.m. salon time. 9 p.m. Saturday. Now we can count with normal we had program. This we just can't if turn like Victor Fon.
Well, the people as me brother say, we just can't tiff turn. But we don't tell now say out in they come, now so they bring them to now.
Just in a one logo, but no wait.
What's happen again?
Okay, logo.
Who's that on pinch now?
No logo.
Elect talk. My people me na Justin until we meet again at the next program. Una stay blessed. We love una all. Na make always with it up in front of camera for bring them things here to una.
Pep, my name na Aliyu. When they hear anytime they blow the whistle, pep, mean say, done. My name na Aliyu. God bless we all. We love we all. We love we all. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. E don done. E no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.